is already here, and that means it's a pumpkin season. There are many different recipes where you can use pumpkin as a main ingredient, and today's recipe is delicious and full of autumn flavors: pumpkin creamy soup. When you will try this out, it will become your all-time favorite fall recipe, and you will enjoy making it in your kitchen. So let me show you how to make this one. Place one pot on the stove. Last period, I was started to use cast aluminum and Emily cookware, and I have to admit that they are perfect in every way. Starting from the modern look, premium performances, advantages, and also the recipe. They are made from premium quality of aluminum, and that's why I recommend them to everyone that likes to cook delicious recipes, and at the end to be sure that they will never fail in it. I bought this cookware from Vero supermarket, and they can be found only there with 50% discount with the coupon sale that it's still in progress. In the pot, add the olive oil and start to cook the onion and garlic. After 2 minutes of constant cooking, add in the shredded carrot, diced potato, and diced pumpkin. Season with salt and black pepper to taste and stir well. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes without worrying that it will burn on the bottom of the pan, because this pot has a special layer that prevents food from sticking. Stir again and add the vegetable or chicken broth. Let the whole mixture cook and simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. When all of the vegetables will be tender, blitz the soup with the help of a hand or stand blender. Add in the heavy cream and stir gently. Serve on a plate and garnish with a little bit of olive oil and a dollop of sour cream, and sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley. And now there you have it, guys, one perfect looking fall soup with fresh pumpkin. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. The full ingredient list is in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.